Guys, today we go to Mulligan's Bar and Grill right here in Sebastian, Florida. Guys, right before we go to the restaurant, they got a bike and repair station. Look at this. You've never seen nothing like this. The air pump, everything. It's crazy. What do you got over there you're looking at? Dedicated to Mr. and Mrs. Paul Stevenson.
They dedicated this property.
Guys, just left this area. We're coming back over here. She's mentioning the wrench she saw, and then she's saying, you know, this, the Allen keys. So yeah, guys, this is really a one-stop. Look, you can do it in the shade. It probably, how far is the stretch? Okay. Yeah, put the bike up there. Possibilities are limitless. Oh my God. Listen, guys. Let's go check this place out. Yeah, guys, so coming up on it, you see it's to the right. Yeah, guys, so walking up here, open for breakfast daily, they said. I smell the water already. Yeah, guys, going in here, we might not eat, but we're going to tell you what the vibe looks like and show you everything. She's looking at the menu. Here's the hours of operation. I'm just looking at the menu, walking over here, see if I want to eat here or not. Nice little view over here. Yeah, if it ever says we are hiring, I'm not going to eat there. I learned that lesson already the hard way. So I'm going to pass on this one. But definitely, when they're good, come check this place out, guys. Hey, guys, if you like the video you just seen, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. Thank you for taking time out of your day. Have a great day.